In the year of the Lord 1806 we set sail from the whole Cape of Cork, and we were sailing away with a cargo of bricks for the brand city hall in New York. We'd an elegant craft, she was rigged for a nap, and how the trade wind drove her. She had 23 masts, and she stood several blasts, and they called her the Irish Rover. We had Barney McGee from the banks of the Lee, we had Hogan from County Tyrone, and we had Johnny McGurk, who was scared stiff of Moore, and the chap from Westmeath named Malone. We had Slur O'Toole, who was drunk as a rule, and fighting Bill Tracy from Dover, and your man Makem from the banks of the Ban was the skipper on the Irish Rover. We had 1,000,000 bags of the best Sligo rags, we had 2,000,000 barrels of bone, and we had 3,000,000 bales of our nanny goat's tails, we had 4,000,000 barrels of stone. We had 5,000,000 hogs, I had 6,000,000 dogs, and 7,000,000 barrels of porter. We had 8,000,000 sight of our blind horses' height in the hold of the Irish Rover. We had sailed 7 years when the measles broke out, and our ship lost her way in a fog, and the whale of a crew was reduced down to 2. 'Twas myself and the captain's old dog. Well, the ship's rubber rock, oh Lord, what a shock, and nearly tumbled over, turned 9 times around, and the poor old dog was drowned. Hey! I'm the last of the Irish